Lake Tahoe. Climate change is projected to have major impact on Lake Tahoe. Environmental Protective Agency or EPA reports that water quality both at deep depths and near shore will suffer as a result of fine sediments, particles, and phytoplankton algae. Environmental Protection Agency 2019 also projected rising temperature will bring in more precipitation that will come in the form of rain instead as opposed to snow. Rising temperatures will also cause nutrients to accumulate at the surface of the water and potentially change the chemistry and biology of the lake. Additionally, another research found that under A2 scenario, the lake will cease to mix to the bottom by the year 2060. Currently, deep mixing occurs every 3 to 4 years, but under B1 scenario, the lake will mix 4 times between 2061 to 2098, thus resulting in zero depletion of dissolved oxygen. Furthermore, projected precipitation will cause more intense and frequent flooding and threaten infrastructure systems, especially roads in and out of the basin, plus the sewage system that will put communities and lake health at risk when flooded. To address the climate change issues, EPA listed Lake Tahoe on the Clean Water Act. Finally, the EPA, together with numerous stakeholders, developed and implemented Sustainable Communities Program and Sustainability Action Plan to ensure that regulatory actions take future climate change impacts into account.